Hello guys, you're welcome back. My mom tried to abort me by falling from tree, Bbnaija Mercy says in the premiere of Mercy and Ike reality TV show. Mercy and Ike reality show finally kicked off yesterday, Sunday 26, 2020. It is an interesting show which follows Mercy and Ike's life before fame, their parents, childhood, and most importantly, the love between Ike and Mercy. Bbnaija Season 4 winner Mercy&ike and Ike Onyema were fellow housemates in the 2019 Big Brother show, which was where that romantic relationship started. Their unlikely bond during the show makes for a great love story as they continue to entertain viewers with their pranks and an affection that took everyone by surprise. Happening on the Mercy and Ike show, Mercy&ike revealed that her mom tried to abort her. This statement sent shockwaves to fans and viewers watching from home as no one knew that part of Mercy's life. She says, as quoted by DSTV Nigeria Twitter page, "My mom said she tried to abort me. She would go to the farm, climb a tree, then fall from there just to get rid of me. I have to make her proud, whatever it takes." Mercy and Ike show was really interesting and I can't wait for next Sunday to see them bring back the pepper. What do you think, guys? Drop your comments in the section below. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.